Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to simply customize text pointer color on your PC. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are already new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do on your window keyboard, what you need to do is to press Window plus U on your window PC. Then having pressed Window plus U, it's going to take you right here. And the next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to text cursor. Click on that. And it's going to take you right here. Now, use text cursor indicator. Turn on text cursor indicator. What you need to do first and foremost, make sure you turn this on. So having turned it on, then you can come to color sections right here. So by default, you can see the color right here. Then from here, you can choose to another type of color, as you can see right here. If you are not satisfied with any of the default color right here, simply click on pick a custom color right here. And this is going to pump up. Then from here, you can choose your custom color, or you can click on see more right here. You can make use of color code if you want to use a color code, or you can use this slider right here to control the color. And then from here, you see the color code right there. Once you are done, click on done right here. And then it's going to be reflected into the color custom sections right here. So you can also come here and increase the slider. So the more you increase the slider, the more your text is going to be, the more your text cursor indicator is going to be increased. And it's as simple as that. So you can go ahead and make it and see how the text indicator color and how it's going to be big right here. So what I'm going to do is to simply head over to my MS Word right here. I'm going to simply create a new blank document. So I will create a new blank document, just like what you see right here. You can see my text indicator right here. So if I try to make a type right here, and you can see, so if I press Ctrl A, you can see my text indicator. If I try and come to the top right here and increase the font size, and then you can see how my bigger the text indicator is. If you would like to adjust your text indicator, if you are not satisfied with the kind of size you have with your text indicator, you can simply go back to your text indicator property right there and control the size. So I'm going to leave it at about 2. Let's go back. And you can see now that text indicator increased. So we can also go back and take it back to the beginning. And you see it's continued to decrease right here. And you are good to go. So right here, you can simply adjust as much as possible and adjust the color as much as possible. Everything depends on how best you want your text indicator to be in your window PC. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.